Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
The Realme comes with a similar camera setup to what it was on the Realme U1 and the Realme 2 with a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera combination on the back, but this time the aperture size is better. It's f1.8 compared to the f2.2 that was on the other two phones previously. And there's also some new features that's thanks to the Color OS 6.0 that is on the Realme 3. You get features such as the Chroma Boost that helps you take advantage of the camera app and enhance the colors. Though it might not look like what is on the real life, it still makes it a punchy and better output. And also there's a Nightscape mode to take advantage of the camera again to do better night shots. So those are the two new addition to the features. And one of the major things about this time was the support for camera to API, which is going to help you with the GCam installation, and with GCam you can do quite a lot more. You know how good the camera's application is from Google, and you can see that in this video as well. We are showing you a few captures that we did, the portrait captures especially when you take selfies. So the portrait selfie is not exactly the same that is on the Realme 3 directly, so the camera applications are different here, and you can see that in this video on how they differ with the camera quality, how they differ with the capture quality when you're taking portraits with the selfie. So that is it, and keep checking out for these camera samples that we took in the different conditions. Read about them in every picture about what the condition was, and you can judge them based on how good they look. So this is not the final camera review. Our early thoughts would be that the Realme 3 is performing quite well with the cameras, but it's not the best out there. The Redmi Note 7 clearly is going to be better. It's aperture size and that all doesn't matter. It's the SoC as well with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 performing quite well with the optimization of the pictures, and the camera sensor as well is doing a great job there. So the Realme isn't bad on the other side. It still tries to do quite well in the bright light conditions. In low light conditions, the focusing was one issue that we faced, but still it's not a bad camera overall. It did well, but there's no support for 4K video recording, which is a disappointment, and there's no OIS or EIS as well. So with 1080p videos, you cannot even use EIS to stabilize the videos. So this was all about the Realme 3 camera, and keep checking out these capture samples. Hey guys, so this is a quick video sample, the 1080p video capture that is happening on the Realme 3. We have come to a place there where there's some greenery, so thought of capturing the video to see how good the colors come out to be, because I've been in the same place here right now, and I can later check and see if the quality of the video with the colors is good or not. So just a quick sample of the full HD video that we're going to showcase in the Realme 3 camera review. So we're going to a remote place to take a sample this time to see if the greens are actually greens when they are captured. This is a selfie camera. Around this area is where the sun is, so the exposure seems quite good here, but then again we'll be seeing this in full resolution later to see if it did perform well or not. Right now this is a full HD video recording on the selfie camera of the Realme 3 smartphone, and it doesn't have any options of video portrait or such. It's just a regular portrait, regular video that is taken with the selfie camera. So we'll be also knowing the mic quality as well. In the final review, we'll be adding more about the camera thoughts of from our side, and then you'll understand whether it's actually a good camera or not. So this was all about the Realme 3 camera. I hope you like this video. If you want to know more about the Realme 3 or its cameras, do let me know in the comment section below, and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.